Father, nandyan na yung typhoon. Signal number 5. No? Super typhoon. Di ba? So sabi niya, mag-evacuate na tayo. Kasi dadaan dito, lahat to mapapatag. Wala kayong makikita rito. Pati yung simbahan, mawawala to. Kasi yung tubig galing sa taas, dahil pinutol na lahat yung puno, hindi niya na kayang i-hold yung water. Then what will happen? It will just flush down. Okay? Flash flood. Dahil yung rivers, lahat, tataas yung tubig. Sabi ng Father, no, I'll just stay here and pray to the Lord. God will protect me. Okay? Tapos, signal number 3 na. Punta na naman yung ano, Father, kailangan umalis na kayo dahil kayo na lang yung hindi pa umaalis. Lahat ng mga tao umalis na. They rode the truck, lahat. Tapos sabi ng Father, no son, you must have faith, no? In God. God will protect me, okay? Tapos, next time, tumaas naman yung tubig. Hindi na dala nila, baroto na ba? Brrr, Father, taas na yung tubig. Eh, yung Father, nandun na sa itataas ng altar ba? Nakatungtong doon, nagdadasal. Father, pag sunod nito, masisabubong ka, wala na, di ba? Dala-dala nila yung baroto. Ito yung life jacket, Father. Di ba? No. Kasi nga, no. Na? Dumating na yung bagyo. So yung story, may page pa yon. Nalunod si Father. Pero may second page. Pagbukas sa second page, nandun si Father. Sabi niya, Diyos ko po, God, why have you forsaken me? Ba't mo ako hindi sinave? Yeah? Galit siya. So, pagpunta niya ron, kasi sobrang ano niya ba, frustrated niya, bakit ako hindi na safe? Sabi doon sa comic, sa Diyos, ulul, 3 beses kitang pinuntahan, hindi ka nakinig, kaya nalunod ka. Intindihan niyo? Okay? So, you come to the place wherein you're being taught the science. No? Kasi for so long, ang shelter niyo yung mind and Maya is there. Kaya relax ka kayo ba? Akala mo okay. Kaya pag katul ba, nakakita na kayo ng aso na puro pulgas? Di ba? Sabi mo sa aso, may pagkain dito, dogi-dogi kainin to. Pero ang dami mong pulgas. Pati tainga niya. Di ba? Hindi niya makikinig sa'yo. So yun ang experience natin dito sa material world. For so long, we have been here. Covered by illusion. Ang sabi ng isang spiritual master, you have been sleeping on the lap of Maya. Lullaby ba? Lullaby, lullaby, labay. Di ba? Akala mo, relax ka ba? So pag may problema, anong unang gagawin mo? You try to hide. Hindi mo nakikita, you're already imprisoned by the mind. Di ba? You identify with the body, you're imprisoned by the mind, ang solusyon mo, wala. Nakakulong ka eh. Di ba? Nakakulong ka sa katawan. So yung science na sinusunod natin, pinapalo natin, is the wisdom of understanding the truth. Okay? So with the science, we must become purified from discovering this disease. May sakit kasi tayo eh. Paalam mo yung katarak? Kanang katarak ba? Pag baga na, di ka naman makakita. Dili naman muta ang nagtatabon, yung katarak na. Masi tanggalin mo yung muta, hindi ka pa rin makakita. So kailangan mo na ng operation. Okay? Kasabot ka na, no? Oh. So, yung process, it's practice guided by the spiritual master. Unang-una, kailangan mo tindog ka, dili ka na, sige, higa ba, murag baboy ba, ligid-ligid, kay, na, pila ka bulan na lang. Iawon ka na. Di ba? So, magbantay ka kasi akala mo, laro lang dito sa mundo. No. It's a very dangerous place. Because in this place, there is birth, death, disease, and knowledge. And you're not in control. And if you follow the mind, this world, Maya, illusion, it's her domain. He's the trickster. Alam niyo yung sa sugal ba ka ng manghingilat? Abe nyo, kaya nyo ilaron si Krishna ba? Si Maya, illusion. Hindi mo kay balo, pag sugod pa lang, pelde na mo, nabudol-budol na mo. Yeah? You try to enjoy control, but in the end, halimbawa, gusto nyo mang-enjoy, I'll do my own. Ayaw kong makinig mo si kanino. You're arrogant. Alam mo yung arrogance? Hambog ka ba? Mayabang ka? Hindi, wow, di ko magtuumasikin sa. Di ba? So you try to follow the dictates of the mind. Yung mind, under sa 3 modes of material nature. When you identify with the body, your happiness, yung hahanapin yung kaligayahan through the senses. Para makapag-enjoy kayo, to be able to enjoy, what will you do? Manipulate matter. Ano mangyari sa inyo? You become enslaved. Diba? You become enslaved by the horses. Imbis ikaw nagdala, ang kabayo, masiasa mo dagan. Diba? Kaya ba lang mo? So the science we follow is purification, wherein Krishna purifies us, connects us with life, with happiness. He embraces us. It's all about His love and care. Yun yung descending method. So kayo, dahil, halimbawa, I'll give you one example. You know, when Gaur Haridas was in a baby body, 3 years hindi pa siya makalakad. 3 years hindi siya makalakad. Kasi ang taba niya yun, ang katawan niya. 2 years. Mama talaga, no? Mas anong sabihin? Mama pa rin. So what happened was, wala siyang muscles. Pero marami sila rito sa Kibawe na ganun, autistic ba? Meron silang, yung in a way, yung body nila ba? Hindi ganun kagaya ng katawan nyo ngayon na Yung mata nyo talagang parang predator ba? Yung paa nyo parang kabayo, pero hindi kayo tumatakbo kung saan yung tama. Papunta kayo parang langaw ba? Papunta sa apoy ba? So, anong nangyari? Sigor, ginawa namin, nagsubikap kami na makalakad siya. Bakit siya kailangan makalakad? Para makatayo siya. Anong dapat i-develop niya? Yung muscles, di ba? So, araw-araw, practice. Karang, talon-talon, may rubber pag araw-araw. Tapos pag we travel, may carpet, sinichalila nandito ako. Tatayo ko siya, Gor, walk. Siguro, matumba, sasaluhin siya. Okay? So it's also like that. In the beginning of our practice in spiritual life, for so long, we don't have that muscle, spiritual understanding. And we don't have that spontaneous experience and consciousness and our heart to just be Krishna. Okay? Thinking of Krishna. Kasi for so long, ang buhay natin I, me, mine. I, me, mine. Me, I, me, mine. Kaya lahat ng experience natin is about I, me, mine. Sakit akong ulo, problemado ko, I, me, mine. Pero kung titignan nyo yung consciousness ng mga devotees sa Brindavan, nung si Kaliya niyakap si Krishna, anong nasa isip nila? Si Krishna. Maski they're already dying because without Krishna, they have no life. But ang nakikita nila, si Krishna, yung face ni Krishna, how they love Krishna, is all about Krishna, His sweetness, their association with Krishna. All of them are so stunned, focused upon Lord Krishna. Okay? Yun yung devotee. Hindi yung nag-join kasama yung sarhento. Okay? Hindi yung nag-join sa group. It must be, you must come to the point wherein we are so much we are connected with our true eternal world of rendering service to God unconditionally. That is our natural world. Kaya yung meditation natin, yung mind natin, everything is about Krishna. Kaya pag may problema, natural may problema kasi this is a world of duality. Karon na kakwarta, unya wala kakwarta. Ngaron malipay ka, may problema, ngaron wala. Duality ba? Night, daytime. Di ba? In this world, lahat dualities. Kaya, ang nangyayari kasi, what happened to us is, we think, for so long, we've been doing our own will. Do our own will, but because we are not all-powerful, we are not God, this false ego of trying to imitate God has made our heart hard. Kaya pag may problema, hindi tayo marunong makinig sa Lord within the heart. Kaya may spiritual master. Okay? The spiritual master guides you. Yun ang process natin. He guides you how to walk, how to tread the path in spiritual life. Karon, kasi sinasabi na nga dito sa atin ni Krishna, to understand the transcendental science, one must approach a bona fide spiritual master. Thus, this method of submissively receiving transcendental confidential knowledge is not merely based on mental speculation. So yun yung point na gusto kong sabihin na yung for so long, yung shelter natin, we've been sleeping in the lap of Maya. And yung shelter natin, yung mind natin, which is repository lahat ng material desire na experience natin. Kagaya ng nakaupo ako last time doon. Saan ba na? Doon sa Korean, may ano doon yung Japanese ano. Hindi ko makanta yung ano pero ang kanta ganito, binigay ko yung puso ko sa'yo, minahal kita ng walang minahal kita, bigla ka nagbago. Pero nandito pa rin ako, naghihintay sa'yo. Sa pag-ibig mo na niyurak, gikumo ang akong kasing-kasing. Kaya yung kanta talagang namimiga ba? So yun ang consciousness ng person who identifies himself as a body. Kaya I, me, mine. Kaya kung malipayong ka, akala mo, malipayong ka, experience mo sa duality, lipay ako. Pero pag in case naman na miserable, I, me pa rin, ikaw pa rin. I, me, mine. Even in tears, lahat ikaw. Ngayon, ang process natin hindi ganon. To be focused upon the will of the Supreme Person is Krishna. At pinakita sa atin sa pastimes ni Lord Krishna through the mercy, blessing ng spiritual master, how the devotee is so focused, unalloyed. Unalloyed, walang halo ba? Puro. Hindi kape, puro Puro. Si Krishna lang. So, whatever happens, it's just Krishna. Without Krishna, they have no reason to live. Kaya, they have this unalloyed devotion. Yun yung pinapractice natin. Na pag dumating tayo sa point na you come in contact with God's mercy through the instruction, what will happen is you will be focusing upon your relationship with God. So what is that relation based upon? It's your affection, your love. So mangyari nun, you are able to make a stand for someone you love. Hindi kagaya nung iniwan mo na ako, niyurakan mo, kinumukumo mo, hiwa-hiwa ang puso ko, pero nandito pa rin ako naghihintay. Hindi ganun yun. That's nonsense. Okay? That's his material experience in this world. So the more you chant, the more Krishna embrace you, the more you become purified, and then you begin to experience this comfort in your heart that whatever you do, hassle talaga dito sa mundo. Mainit. Yung mind laging mag-unsa ka man diha, asa kaunsa ka diha, di ba? Hantud-hanturang ka diha, lisod diha. Di ba naman? So asa ka mo dagan? Wala, hindi ka makadagan. Nakapreso ka man sa mind. Nakapreso pa sa lawas. Tapos meron naman tatak na after ilang months, katayo naman ang lawas. Nag-identify ka man. Parang baboy ba? Kaya pag kinatay yung baboy dyan, no? Sigor punta gid yun. Muta na, unsa na. Tapos muhilak ba sigor? Yeah? So yun yung situation nyo. Kaya dapat alam natin ano nangyayari. Kaya when you go to the training, like in sundalo, alam niya yung haharapin niya. Kagaya pag nasa jungle na siya, he becomes one with the jungle. Alam niya na lahat. Nakikita niya. Kaya pag konting galaw lang, alam niya na may amoy. Diba? Ligo ang kalaban. Diba? Pero hindi niyo makita kasi Maya comes in different ways. You know? Maya comes in different ways. Halimbawa, malungkot kayo. Si Maya biglang, yung mind nyo kasi database yan lahat ng memories, lahat na nandyan, you experience that. Kaya, halimbawa, sa buhay nyo, nagkaroon kayo ng mga nauntol, naunsyami na pag-ibig, na inalay nyo sa isang person. Ngayon, malungkot kayo, naglalakad kayo, biglang sasabihin ng mind, remember before, di ba? Habang nakatingin ka sa kanya, di ba? Ang saya mo, di ba? Pero alam mo, nung lagi ka nakatingin sa kanya, pagtagal, sinipa niya yung mukha mo. Pinaalis ka niya, pinalayas ka. Pero sasabihin naman, why don't you try it again? Ano? Love for the third time. Di ba? It's sweeter. Di ba? Laging ganun yung mind So ngayon, ang process natin is to direct the mind. Kasi ang shelter natin for so long is the mind. And the mind, nandun lahat yung problema. Nandun yung desire. Kaya pag gusto mo ng kaligayahan, sabihin agad ng, para bang nanimbawa, nandiyan ka sa Facebook, mamaya lalabas Lazada, bagong underwear, bagong pabango. Tapos hindi mo mahinto dahil in five, tapos mamaya lalabas na naman, kailangan mo ng gatas. Isip mo, hinay man akong lawas. Papalit gatas, kainom ta. Pero, sino nagbibigay sa'yo ng ano na yun? Sa mind, si Maya. Pero akala mo in control ka. Kaya yung spiritual master, he's master of his senses. He can control the urge of the mind. The belly, the genitals, he is in control. He's not under the jurisdiction of material nature. Kaya spiritual master is not a cheap thing to come to yung process na binigay, what's given to us, it's not a cheap thing. It's about your happiness, about your life. Di ba, you're all selfish? Come on, nga naman na diri, siyempre gusto nyo kalipay ba? Huwag mo muna diri para nakalipay inyong mga sakop dito, di ba? Na mo diri kay gusto mo magtuon, di ba? Hindi man about sa kanila, it's about you. So that selfishness can be transcendental when it's connected with the pleasure of God. Because He wants you to be happy. God loves you. It's not that God yung nandyan na naghihintay na gipalisod-lisod ka, no. Kita ang nagpalisod sa atong kaugalingon. Kasabot mo? So kaya pag hindi kayo nag-practice ng training, akala nyo, oh, nag-join ako. Unong kabulan naman ko nagseryoso. Di ba? Di na ko mukaon, di na ko mo inom, di na ko mo sigarilyo. Where is happiness? Where is spiritual life? Hindi ganon. The more you stop on engaging in such activities, kasi so you can be focused. Tingnan niyo. You can be focused ba sa ginagawa nyo? You can watch and engage. And follow the instructor. So yung training na ginagawa nyo, it's like when you go to the military training, nandun yung sergeant, tuturuan kayo paano mag-survive. So dito naman, tinuturuan tayo to be in harmony with the will of God. And what is that connection? Doon, iba eh. You must be hard. Di ba ganun ang training sa military? Sa Marines? Kailangan matapang ka, malakas ka, kaya jogging ka, may dala-dala ka 50 kilos, jogging ka ng 50 kilometros. Parang mas ganun pagtagal, naglalakad ka na lang, mas mabigat. Kaya mas hindi ka kumakain na 1 linggo, may buhat ka na 50, nandun ka pa rin hindi ganun ang spiritual life. Okay? But yung training is about purification. You become purified from yung imprisonment ni Maya, controlling you through the mind. Kaya yung Maha Mantra, Krishna himself, draws the mind away from matter. So every day you chant, the more you chant, the more you experience connection with the source of happiness. The more your heart becomes satiated and you have discomfort. But it's a personal experience you should be engaging in. Hindi ka nag-join, hindi ka nandyan lang kasi lahat sila nandyan. At it's not, the process is like this. No. Kasi tayo, nasanay kasi tayo na when we come in contact with people ba, oy, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hindi natin na-appreciate. We should be thankful to Krishna, to God, because He takes care of us. He loves us. Akala natin, we do something, hugas kayo ng pinggan, sino kayo sa temple. Nobody will thank you. Dapat kayo ang magpasalamat na nabigyan kayo opportunity, ma-purify yung heart nyo. Okay? Dapat meron ka tayong pasasalamat sa puso natin. Hindi yung, lisod na! Diba? Hindi ganon. Saka, maggawa ka, titingin ka, nga naman mo nagpasalamat sa ako. Diba? Yun ang babantayan nyo. Yun yung false ego. Yun yung arrogance. Yung devotee is someone who's feeling lower than the straw in the street. More tolerant than the tree, devoid of all sense of false prestige, and ready to offer all respects to others. Because everybody is a child of God. Everything that's here belongs to God. So if you have this humbleness, that yes, for so long you become a demon, you're a thief, then you feel, wow. But still, Krishna loves you. He arranged it na nandito kayo. So you become very thankful. Hindi yung, usamay ako makuha diya, unong kabulan na ba ako sigityan? Wala pa ko spiritual, di man ko makakita. Di ba? Murag buangon pa mangyapon na kung huna-huna, sige ko dagan mangita asa ang kalipay, mas mabuang man ko. Adi na tinuod. That is nonsense. Okay? Kasi hindi ka pumasok, kasi you don't know the process. The process is descending method, and that descending method is God's grace, God's love for you. And then when you feel, wow, for so long I've been a thief, I've been hard-hearted, then you feel in your heart humbleness. And then you can take shelter of God. Krishna, please embrace me. I have no way I can be free, become safe. No way I can become happy except through your mercy. And the mercy is already there. Para bang uhaw na uhaw ka, yung tubig nandyan. Pero hindi ka tumitingin sa tubig eh. Pwede mo naman kunin lang inumin. Diba? So, how will it happen? When you are able to draw the mind away from matter. And why is it to draw the mind away from matter? Because for so long, we have been false God, trying to enjoy material energy, which belong to God. But through the practice of devotional service, we have now a different attitude, a different view that is connected with God's pleasure by using this body in the service of God. You chant. Dati anong tinachant nyo? Di ba? Blah, 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 blah. But the energy you're using coming from God. But if you say, Krishna, Krishna, Gopala, Govinda, Rama, Madana, Mohana, and then you use your brain, hindi yung ginagamit yung utak nyo parate na naasan newspaper diya, na ang crossword puzzle, o kaya sanduko. Saan yung sanduko dyan? Ginagamit nyo yung utak nyo. You know what sanduko? Hindi nyo alam yan, no? Wala dun sa inyo, di ba? Okay, crossword puzzle. Araw-araw, crossword puzzle. Pero yung devotee, hindi ganon. He listens, he hears, and then he meditates upon life, upon love, and doing the will of God. And engage in what is pleasing to God. That's why we congregationally chant. Because sa time na to, in this age of Kali Yuga, the process is congregational chanting, anything prasadam. So, the process that we are learning is coming from God. And yes, last night you were discussing about the process. It's descending, coming from Lord Brahma to Narada Muni, to Lord Vyasadeva, to his disciples, up to Lord Chaitanya, to A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, and Srila Prabhupada. Same, descending process. So to be able to understand the import of the Vedic wisdom, one must follow the representative of God, the spiritual master. Yun ang path na sinusunod. Kaya very clear, safe ka ba? Masibutata, pero ang paglantaw, pagtingin natin, pagtanaw natin sa totoo is true sound. Ano nagpahirap sa atin dito? Sound din, di ba? Sound ni Vice Ganda, yung, di ba, paek-ek-ek-ek, di ba, ni Corina, di ba? Sound ni dating, di ba? Alam niyo yung dating ad ni Kamaunang Bayan. Di ba? Si Bilog. Pag ganun niya, sabay, ito ang kailangan nyo. Sabay ngiting asa, di ba? Pero he doesn't do that now. Kasi alam niya, hindi pala okay. Di ba? Na mga tao lasenggo lahat. Di ba? Baka hindi masulat yung pangalan ko na mahaba baya sa eleksyon. Hindi kagaya ng isa dito, GO lang. Di ba? Kung lasing, baka nagbigay pa si GO ng pambili ng bilog. Di ba? Tindihan nyo? So, yung science na to is very clear. Everything is with clarity. Kasi you completely realize and understand your true identity. Until and unless you know who you are, no way you can become free. Kaya you don't join. You learn. How do you learn? Listen. Receive the knowledge because the knowledge itself is living and will purify you. Okay? There must be humbleness. Kasi with your own power, you cannot make it out. Parang yung baboy nasa tangkal, di siya makagawas, oy. Labayan-labayan ka lang, kada adlaw lamaw ba? Oh, ligid-ligid ka dito. Hindi ka makagawas. Di ba? Hindi ka makagawas. Parang ka ng langaw ba? Di ba? Ang langaw, sige man pangita. Makita niya itong spider web. Pag pilit niya, hawa, push. Pila ang paa ng langaw? 6 ba? 8. 6. So yung 6 na paa nakadikit. Yung ulo nakadikit, yung dila nakadikit. So when you identify with the body, we are like that. Kasi ang source ng happiness natin, para tayong langaw nakadikit. So ang freedom is to understand who we really are. That I'm not this body, I'm not the mind. I can make the choice to be responsible to do the will of God. Responsibility. And that responsibility, I should be very thankful. It's not but, wala man nagpalakpak sa akin na, thank you. Dapat you should be thankful. We should be thankful to God. It's not that, you offer a flower, God, ba't hindi ka nagpapasalamat sa akin? You clean the temple, ba't hindi ka nagpapasalamat? Diba? You cook food, hindi ka nagpapasalamat Walang nagpapasalamat sa akin dito. Yun ang problem natin. For so long, this false ego, this self-centeredness must be purified. Okay? There must be humbleness. Dapat tayo parang baby ba? Alam niyo yung baby? Di ba you go to the mall, di ba nakakita kayo nawawala? For example, di pa man siguro siya nakapunta sa malaking mall, di ba? J-Ben, di ka pa nakapunta sa mall ba? Di pa, Kung dadaling ka namin dito dyan lang, may mall dyan, malaki, pulo ka hektarya, biling ka na mo dito ba? Mama ni mo, gitala ka, gibiling ka dito, kita ni mo, tagam kayo diri pagkaon, na lollipop, anak kadako, cotton candy. Pagkadugay, asa ako mama. Di ba? Mama! So, ang security guard mo dool, naadiri bata, sige hilak. Ang ano, naa siya ID, Jayden, ang pilido. Cornero, ang sinina, blue. Di ba? Sige hilak dire basa na sahog, di ba? Sa hilak, musuka-suka na ba? Masiunsaon na mo, ataga na mo bisikleta. Candy, di siya gusto. Asa ang inahan di ba? Ang inahan naman pa dito, chika-chika. Uy, akong bata! Dagan, di ba? Na? Pagkita ni Junior, so relax na siya. Kung baby pa na siya, di ba? Inom dahil gatas, dede. Lulabay ni mami. Pero ang problema, pag di ka kay balokin sa ka, abi ni mo, mami na ko. Pag problema, mami will walk for you. No. That's why you're in training, so you can walk for yourself. Okay? Dili pwede ka ng, mami, problema, mama! Text na mama, tabang! You should be responsible. You have a choice. Kaya, hindi yung spiritual life na, mag-spiritual life ko, pag tigulan ako, tulo na akong tiil na anak ko baston, o kaya upat na akong tiil ba, na ako nakakara na. No, it's not like that, okay? Now is the time. Why? Because you're in a situation, you just hear, you can just chant, and your parents are making so much effort, so much blessing is given to you, so you can embrace Krishna. So forget about your mind. Follow your heart. Okay? You must understand your true transcendental nature, your true eternal position and function, and you must be focused upon that. And you must come to the point of spiritual realization that you're eternally the loving servant of Krishna and meditate upon His pastimes. And that is appreciated when you hear from the representative of God. You learn how to love. Love kasi dito, hindi natin alam kung ano yung love L-O-V-E, di ba? Masabay love diri ka na. Di ba? McDonald. O kaya open happiness. Ha? That's not love. Diri gani, makita nyo mga bata. Wa pa mo naka-associate diri ba? Daga mga bata diri. Lawas nila, bae, gamay na. Pag sabihin ko na, Chona, nandito si Johnny, gisulti niya, I love you. Tanan mga babae, magkisi-kisi. Ha? Why? Because there's malice. They think love is, pag sabihin, why don't you kiss him? Oh, they don't know. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung love. There's malice ba? Yeah? You understand? Badalang ka ng letter. Uy, tuksoy nila yung bata sa classroom. Uy, uyap siya ni uy, away na, bugno na. Sumbong sa mama. Wow, gipuli ko. Ha? Because they don't know. They can never, the spiritual master tells you, Bhagavandas, I love you. Yeah, I understand. If you are really in this consciousness of transcendental love for God, you're in that situation. When you say, I love you, it's different from what people say about love. Okay? Love is God's blessing coming to us, embracing us, the holy names. Pero ang love dito sa mundo, iba. It's following the dictates of the senses. Okay? The urge of the mind. Kasi ang mind, laging, we have discussed already that no way you can find real security, happiness, and comfort because the body is the source of pain. Di ba? Nakatilaw naman ka mo, sakit ng ipon, kaya sige mo kaon candy, why brush. Di ba? Na ang inyong baba, puro acid. Gidugangan pa nyo acid, pulpog inyong ipon. Because you're not true to your teeth now are all false. Okay? Intindihan nyo? You should be with wisdom. So you're here to learn, to walk. So hindi pwede na, diri na lang ko pirmi sa inyong kandungan ni Maya ba? Kaya you should wake up. Kaya sabi ni Bhaktivinoda, wake up, spirit soul, wake up, for you're sleeping in the lap of Maya for so long. Kaya pag may problema ka, nasanay ka man mag-manipulate, bata ka pa, ano ba, nasa katawang bata kayo. Di ba paglabas nyo, dagandahin yung mama, di ba? Gatas. Pagdakunan nyo, puro lang kayo, kulang na lang, doon mo sa inyong inahan ba? Di na mo magbaklay, wala mo muscle, wala mo decision making. Nga naman, kay gusto man nyo magbaklay ang lain para sa inyong kalipay, ang kalipay nyo is with wisdom and knowledge and in harmony with God. Tingnan nyo? So it's a science you must learn. So you may be here in Madana Moana for 3 years, 4 years, 6 months. But if you listen, apply it, then you'll progress. Okay? Nothing ventured, nothing gained. The taste of the pudding is in the eating. Kung may cake dyan, sabihin ko, lamig kayo na chocolate, mani, pistachio nuts. Unsa na pistachio nuts? Di ba? Nadia ka ng caramel. Unsa na? Di ba? Sa inyo, bakery, binangkal man, parate, di ba? Kanang gikan na sa red ribbon, pero wala egg. Pero gwapo kayo na cherry. Unsa na cherry? Murag lamang, mansanitas. Di ba? Pero di ka kaibalo na, di ba? Nalay pala ang cherry o mansanitas. Pero kung tilawan mo na, uy, lami man pala. Makadaot man pala sa ngipon. Madiabetic man pala ko. Ha? Naintindihan niya? So, lahat ng ginagawa niyo should be very clear. Kasi if you make progress in spiritual life, everything you do is with care. Love, the manifestation of love is care. You care. You have compassion. You're truthful. You can make a stand. The relationship to be loyal, to be faithful. Your heart is now anchored upon sweet Lord Krishna. So everything you do is connected to doing what is pleasing to Him. Whatever sound that comes out of your mouth. Kasi that's why in the beginning, sound is very important. Transcendental sound. Kaya si Lord Brahma, you read last night? Sound. Truth sound coming from God. Entering his heart. He heard the sound. Ano yung sound na yun? Krishna. And yung science na yun was taught to Lord Brahma through the sound, revelation through his heart. And then he's able to speak. God can do that. God can do that. So, and you ask, how? Why? The process is receiving the science and the inconceivable Supreme Person descends through sound. Inconceivable. He's coming na nga eh. Inisip mo ba unsa man na? All you got to do is receive. If you want to learn, you listen, you receive the process, the how you can move, how you can walk in spiritual life, then you'll succeed. Okay? Because why? Because that will your meditation will be every day. Your love. It's not anymore following the dictates of the mind, the desire. You become a Goswami, master of your senses. And don't ever think that you must be perfect. You're all divine and you're all perfect. But the problem is our activities. Is it pure devotional service? Okay? So don't ever think na you'll not be loved if you're not perfect. Krishna loves you. Whatever you have in this material world, you go to Krishna, you leave it behind. The body, the mind, false ego. But the key, the system is to be resituated in pure, loving, devotional service. That's why yung process natin is the practice of devotional service. Begins with hearing and chanting. Is it clear to you? Is it clear? So, may kasabihan na kailangan may pasensya kayo. May patience ka ba? Di ba? May patience ka. Kaya kung ano man, matagal, ba't ang tagal? Di ba may kasabihan, mas anong haba ng prosesyon, sa simbahan pa rin pupunta, di ba? Di ba galing yung prosesyon sa simbahan, babalik sa simbahan. So kuminsan matagal eh. Kasi ang dami nating, dami mong dala-dala eh. Mabigat yung dala nyo eh. Kaya kamang mo ba? Ano yung dala-dala nyo? Yung desire. Yung source ng happiness. Dili nyo buhian ba? Give it up. So you can walk free. How can you give it up? By meditating, focusing, giving your life to God. You shed off lahat ng desire na yun. Kasi your desire now is connected with the source of life, the source of happiness, the self-sufficient philosopher, the cause of all causes. So wala ka nang dala, pero connected ka sa source. Di ba? Hindi ka na kailangan. Para halimbawa, travel ta sa desert, dala ta tubig. Pero 5 ka bulan, kung sa kadako, kung sa katangker atong dalon. Di ba? No, connect with the source of water. Krishna. Leave everything behind. And your heart, your life, that should be the focus. Kaya yung mga resident ng Vrindavan, when Krishna, they think he's in danger. He's finished. Yung mind nila, Krishna. You enter that world. And that world satisfies the heart. You. Ang problema kasi sa atin, we always try to satisfy the mind ba? Alam niyo yung mind? Yung mind kasi nandun yung last, matinding pugdunoso. Di ba? Irog ko na iniwan ako, hinahanap ko pa rin hanggang ngayon, ang dami-dami nila, sino kaya siya? Di ba? Is it clear to you? So you will be in control of your life when you're in harmony with the Supreme Controller. When you love your life, you're like a baby under His embrace. Okay? Kasi you treat Him also like a baby. You protect Him. So, the only way is a relationship, you know? Relationship ba? Hindi ang relationship, yung nakita. Alam nyo yung form na akala nyo ng beauty. Every one of us, we're looking for you, eternal beauty, lahat. Kaya lang, misguided ba tayo? Kaya yung akala mo, para yung bulaklak sa una, di ba? Yung rosas, ang bango-bango, o kaya puting-puti yung rosas. Pagtagal, ano nangyari sa rosas? Dahan-dahan, nagwiwilt. So yung katawan, ganun din. Sa una, paglabas ng nasa katawan, for example, a young boy sees a young girl, yung katawan talagang parang bulaklak na fresh. Pagtagal, dahan-dahan, nag-iiba, kumukunot yung balat, yung buhok pumuputi, yung ngipin nahuhulog, nagsishrink. O kaya tumataba. Di ba? Tapos naghahanap ka ng perfect beauty, naghahanap ka ng happiness, kaya lang misdirected with matter. Kasi bulag ka nga. Yung sunglass mo iba, kulay red, hindi ka nakakakita. O kaya black, hindi ka nakakakita. Kaya pag may problema, takbo ka agad sa isipan mo, Master, paano ako tatakas? Hindi ka makakatakas kasi nakakulong ka na. No way, manalo ka. Di ba? Kaya pagtagal, yung akala mong beauty, wow naman, kumot naman, murag, alam mo yung daing sa Zamboanga? Di ba? Bulad ba? Murag, bulad naman sa una. Humot man, karon lahi naman. Amoy lupa na. Pero kung nandong ka illusion, di mo makikita yon. Takbo ka kaagad sa mundo mo. Hello darkness, my old friend. Yakapin mo agad yung mind mo. Ganon yung mundo. You run away, but you cannot run. Nakakulong ka eh. So freedom from this imprisonment of illusion sa shackles ni Maya. Matagal ka kasi nagsasayaw kasama ni Maya. Illusion ba? Sa mind mo. Una tango, ding, hip-hop. Pagtagal, sweet. Sa sobrang sweet, nayakap ka na, hindi ka na makalis. Dinaya? Is it clear to you? So yun ang process. The process, I'll read to you here para magkaroon. I'm just trying to communicate to you kasi pag-uusapan natin yung mga bagay na hindi natin maintindihan masyado ngayon when we become so much advanced in spiritual life, mature in spirit, we can understand. But now, pag-usapan muna natin yung situation, okay? Kung pag-uusapan natin lahat yung mga bagay na si Krishna nasa ocean of milk, tapos from Krishna comes, Garbhodakasaya Vishnu. From Garbhodakasaya Vishnu comes this universe. Hindi nyo ma-relate sarili nyo. Marirelate lang nyo sa situation according to time and space wherein our spiritual master teaches us how we can connect ourselves with what is true eternally. Okay? So Krishna tells us, There are two classes of beings. Dalawang klase. Although we are all divines, divine, spirit soul. There are two classes of beings. The fallible and infallible. In the material world, every entity is fallible. And in the spiritual world, every entity is called infallible. Yeah. Alam niyo yung fallible? Yeah. Not all power, matumba ka ba? Fallible. Parang soldier, tinamaan ng bala. Sa material world, fallible tayo. We're not all powerful. In the spiritual world, there is no matter. Everything there, not everything. Every element, not element. It's all spiritual. But to ascend with our mind, mahirap. All we got to do is listen. And then when we make progress, we're able to see. Okay? Just like pag may sakit ka ng jaundice, sa una yung candy, tagang kayo candy sa balay, pait man na, dili na lami. Alam yung jaundice? Sakit sa abdo ba? Pero kaon ka dagang candy, bantay lang na di ka ma-diabetic. Pag maayo na imong uy, lami mong pala di lami pa malali sweet balls, tanan. Diba? Kining lollipop na anak kadako. Kaya lang bantay ka, mabulok imong ipon. Diba? White toothbrush. Beside these two, there is the greatest living personality, the Lord Himself, who has entered into in this world and is maintaining them. So sa Supreme Person, Paramatma, we can understand that when we make progress in spiritual life. Okay? Sa una, sa beginning sa spiritual life, very defensive tanan. Dili ta gusto na, uy, kuyaw na tawa na kay buang una, di ta mo duol diya. Di ba? Lagi kang defensive. Ay, makontaminate ko na, bati na. Di ba? So yun ang relationship nyo. But when you make advancement, you see differently. Okay? Because I am transcendental beyond both fallible and infallible, and because I am the greatest, I am celebrated both in the world and in the Vedas as the Supreme Person. So Krishna declaring Himself, whoever knows me as the Supreme Personality of Godhead without doubting is to be understood as the knower of everything. And he is therefore he engages himself in full devotional service of Sai no Bharat. This is the most confidential part of the Vedic scripture, or sinless one. And it's disclosed now by me. Whoever understands this will become wise and thus endeavor for perfection. So, ano yung perfection na ini-endeavor natin? To be connected in harmony with God's will. Yun. Ngayon kasi, it's hard. Kasi ang gawain natin, we, me, I, me, mine, and we're not all powerful. Dapat ma-free tayo from false ego or false lordship. Okay? Kaya, yung process, let's be direct kasi unang-una pa, what's happening now, time is moving so fast, no guarantee that you will be here. Malay nyo, nagka-garden kayo doon, paako mo sa cobra, tigbak mo, di ba? So wala mo. You must become like Maharaj Pariksit. Maharaj Pariksit, he is the emperor and he has 7 days to live. And what he did was he followed Sukadev Goswami and listened to the narrative of the pastimes of Lord Krishna that descended coming from Lord Brahma to Lord Vyasadeva about the eternal pastimes of Krishna. So the more he hears, the more he becomes enthused, the more he meditates, the more he inquired. For 7 days and for 7 nights, he's not touched by the pangs of this world. No hunger, thirst, hunger, wala, transcendental. And at the time, 7 days, he said, let the snake of death come. He bypassed death. So ang question, you're all eternal. How can you bypass death? Yun ang test eh. So all of us will be taking the test. Pero pwede kayong, alam nyo, hindi na kayo, anong tawag doon ka? Pag bumaksak ka? Ano yung tawag na? Ano yan? Hindi na kayo kailangan mag-remedial. To be born here again. You can be graduate now. Now. You know, when you leave the door, you enter the door, go to Krishna. Because your heart, your mind is focused upon Krishna. Okay? Hindi na kayo mag-remedial. On and on and on. Remedial. Pag tagul, hindi na kailangan remedyohan. No? Alam nyo, hindi na kaya. Drop out na. No. So in this, so alam nyo yung when I was watching this surgery sa isang hospital, nakalagay doon eh. In this arena, there is no rehearsal. No trial and error. If you have a spiritual master. And it's not, I'll try. No, you must do it. If you try, ibig sabihin you're not convinced, you're doubting. I'll try, baka if I give a certain time and energy, baka makadawat ko certain happiness, certain spiritual understanding. Na? It's not. You must do it because it's a must that we know who we are and where we're going. Tindihan niya? Is it clear to you? You have any question? Okay. Let's chant. Okay, ano ba? Namo Sina Solomonata, Pangawam sa namin Ora Karuna Solupaya, Radha Krishna Prestayate. Hannibal, everybody sing it, chant. Namo Sina Solomonata, Pangawam sa namin Ora Karuna Solupaya, Radha Krishna Prestayate. Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Radha Krishna Nayanya, 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 Bhakti Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Ladhana, Shri Vasari Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Bhakti Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Ladhana, Shri Vasari Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana, Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana, Haribol, Krishna Haribol. Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana, Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana. Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana, Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana. Haribol, Haribol, Haribol. Krishna Haribol. Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana, Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana. Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana, Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana. Gopala Govinda
Honorable.